Ebusianfo me mo bibia kwaba de ba GCN page so midin e de adwoa searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell no so for more news. Lawyer Morris Ampao akasa na nisema okay na ne say ohun ne say enya de a NDC party no 2024 obetimi enwi ne power na ode no nchiremu ebai o kire say nienti a NDC party 2024 mo entimi wi na ne say odwani ekirem e wo northern regional eyade a eho vote no emu ache NDC party no omunya full support ti say de bia omu enya no na ne nkirem ode ba yin na ne say yebeka ya eye NDC for omu take decision bi e wo Parliament House a omu esake eye honorable Haruna Idrusu e na friends honorable Muntaka na Lawyer Morris Ampao HSS enkrofo mienu we every northern region a omu support e wo ho a northness e pomo asem entini say NDC for omu take decision we dia omu kan hu say eye northern region abatuno emu achetu a eye omu ntimi nya support 2024 coming election enti Lawyer Morris Ampao e de futu akọ e de ama NDC party ne say omo entimi wi ni titiru pa enso eye omo leader odi party name eye former president John Dramani Mahama ono so na say onema oto ayampia na okeka ensem bia sebio ense emfatante say NDC fo omo ayo madwen say omo betimi abade a eno omo ntu eye omampani dada John Dramani Mahama fo se na be ya so omo betimi awi ni power ni 2024 dia omo betimi awi nya na say omo kansempa omo betimi ayede aboa oman Ghana se na be ya Ghana fo ebehwe so ato aba ede amomo na de omo yare de enya de omo betimi awi ni na titru pa ene northern region sisi ehonom vote no emu ache nti on do hu say NDC party nya de omo betimi abana do fo yeti nsema Lawyer Morris Ampao na nkasa ede etuya
care what your opponent brings on board. So swa na nyame fa won say wo na do so a no amount of intimidation and threat can change what God have decided for the people of Ghana. Intimidate who say mutu ni nya no em say to be na boa for mutim both MPP and NDC for nya to be na boa for mutim de mun koso amonye de amonye mun kasa but Ghana is bigger than you. And I can tell you from where I sit, I can't see NDC coming back to power. Because I can see, say, party no is gradually enter into crisis. Because the one you want to lead you know has already divided the party. The nothing votes will be divided because the way you've treated Haruna Idrusu, the Dagomba boy, the Gonja man, and the Dagomba boy. Magasamon Canada won off. Now another Idrusu, he was a darling boy of the Dagomba. Moyinefi, parliamentar, as a majority leader, minority leader. What do you think his people will think about you? So you've lost the northern votes. This is what you have to put in measures in place to see how best you can win the northness. Ashanti the no-go area because Mama Kevin Taylor any other people no did Ashanti for attempt at the deal too for attempt. Because I said the way you rubbish the Ashanti people, the way Amoyama say Ubema Ashanti region, Ubechilom, some we need power because Ashanti region no. MPP stronghold. So if Mama will say Oba share with dia, then it means that minus that region. Yes. If you tell me, say, if you come and you are going to take care of NDC people first, then minus Ashanti region. The Ashanti follow Ashanti region no voter region Musu Mama may vote party. There is no Voltarian representing the leadership. Indeed, the voter region too is bleeding. What did I say? So these are the things that I'm expecting NDC to address. Than to talk about do and die and then you kill. You kill for what? Go kum mamano papa wiya. Never there. Catch your mamano papa mo say ube kum nobody we need power. But be kum innocent ordinary Ghanaian. Just common elections. You go to a battle and then do and die and make out. That is my opinion. Ghana is bigger than any politicians. A politician be obey na ye. Politician be ara nyame send him na so no obeba. Ghana yen do ni yen die. 2024 elections be to ye na nyame asra no ngo se ondi ye so no obedi ye so. Enti
adofo ensem we na lawyer e de atudwa na me pesa meje wadwen kire anase wo de wadwen eto comment section ho se ensem a lawyer AK eye 2024 coming election NDC for omo entimi wini from voter region from northern region because of the AC parliament house no ana said the on my penida da John Dramani Mahama enema auto ayampia no enti na NDC for omo entimi enwini ana said the lawyer Morris Ampao na dwenchira ode atudwane minim de also wadwen ekyerɛw enti fa to comment section ho de enti ana said de enti and also say NDC party no omo ntimi mba power 2024
utie fitine nkwada brim ene nyame bo ni din efre no me kai sometime bi na all kasa na all kabra na oya akoda na won ye kwaje Ghana si o enkroma no ne ade ye kira ne ye meetings e wo papa fie na me tie some of the stories say yi JB dan kwa no ne ade omo so no mu na omo afa no na omo de na tsena omo nine so even at that tender age God has already prepared, said this guy called Kweku Dankwa is going to become something. So I will let him start mingling with people of such. I will let him start mingling with people of such. You share a lifestyle. Me go school or Ghana. So me kai Ghana social studies books. You kai say William Meden Ufuriata. You kai Wan. You can kai woman na Ekufuado papa. No womb. Ekufuado papa. Na okasa squad no. So don't ever think, especially those who are always attacking the Kufuado, don't ever think say oh ye nipe bi keke no wo. De bia sister Cynthia na meka say me say me nsuro me nkan ka meka say papa no ye bosom say ye som no. Seriously. Say nye suro na me suro me kan na me pese eja me de ne be equate sebe ya bosom na anka meka say papa we udi ni gina wo say bosom a qualify. Because look at the incentrene from losing your first wife. Now no so no sebe abodan for group bi aka bom na ye di tinsam fon de nim ni na na ye ka de to papa yi so. Ensu nyankopon ama papa we wa ma na anye worry. De ayede ye no de ayekeka fra no ni nara no. Ekufuado have stayed resolute. Now, me dwene say, anka after several attempts, me sana me tie, me try na mean to me, chale mean to me forget.